Hello everyone and welcome. We're still looking at the first law of thermodynamics, and right now we're going to look at expansion work. The best example of expansion work is to look at what happens to a gas enclosed in a cylinder, so that's a cylinder, and then you have a piston, so right there, that's a piston. In this case, you have two possibilities. In the first case, you have pressure, external pressure being exerted downwards, and therefore it pushes the piston into the gas, so it ends up compressing the gas. And in that case, we say work is being done on the gas. So work is done on the system, where the gas there is a system. But in the second case, we have a negative external pressure. That means the gas itself here is exerting force on the piston and therefore pushing the piston out. And in that case, we say that work is being done on the surrounding. So the piston here represents the surrounding. So we say work is being done by the system, or work is being done on the surrounding. In the first case, work is being done by the surrounding and work is being done on the system. If we look at the infinitesimal amount of work, that means small amount of work, which we use delta W or dW, equals to the pressure being exerted, so that pressure there, times the change in volume. So let's say the piston moves from here to here. So there you have the change in length, and then you can calculate what the volume is, the change in volume of the cylinder, and that will be equal to dV. So pressure times the change in volume, and that's the infinitesimal work. Now the total work done on the system equals to the external pressure times total change in volume. On the other hand, when the system is working on the surrounding, then the amount of work done, the infinitesimal amount of work done, equals to minus pxt, because now the pressure is negative, times the change in volume, and therefore you end up with negative work. Negative work means the system is working on the surrounding, and therefore the total amount of energy in the system decreases, because the system is losing energy by doing work. So the system is losing energy. In the first case, the system is gaining energy. So here you have gain, because the system is being worked on by the surrounding. But in the second case here, the system is losing energy. So the amount of work equals to negative, and in the first case, work equals to positive. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next part as we continue with the first law of thermodynamics discussion. Please support the channel by subscribing. Thank you.